Keto Tiramisu Fat Bombs. Preparation time, 1 hour. Servings, 8 fat bombs. Ingredients: 4 ounces cream cheese, softened. 2 ounces butter, softened. 1 teaspoon instant coffee powder. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 1 tablespoon erythritol. 1 tablespoon unsweetened cocoa powder. 1 cup crushed sugar-free grams. Procedure: 1. Combine all ingredients in a food processor. 2. Pulse into a smooth dough. 3. Divide the dough and roll into balls. 4. Chill for 1 hour. Nutritional information. Energy 80 kilocalories. Protein 1.5 grams 7%. Fat 8 grams 90%. Carbohydrates 1 gram 3%. Remember to subscribe, comment, share and like it. Click on the bell to be informed of the latest videos uploaded. Thanks.